Looking for the best spin mops? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 spin mops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Hurricane Spin Mop Home Cleaning System by BulbHead. Bucket's spin system does a good job cutting down on excess water and the need to touch the mop head thanks to the foot pedal operation. Lightweight construction. A user-friendly spin mop system that is a good choice for small to mid-size cleaning chores. Easiest to use. Owners of older versions gripe that the components aren't as well made, including the mop handle that has been known to break. At number 2. Libman Spin Mop and Bucket. Incredibly sturdy, easy to assemble, lightweight and effective. Has a removable stainless steel spin chamber and also a splash guard. From a trusted name in the industry. An excellent deal for a mop from a reputable and reliable company. Some find the mop head too soft to tackle stuck on grime and residue. At number 1. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. Microfiber material cleans dust and dirt without the need for extra cleaning products. Safe for all hardwood floors. Machine washable so it's easy to reuse. Triangle head allows the mop to reach into corners or narrow areas. Built-in wringer and telescoping handle for user convenience. With high-quality features and ergonomic design, this versatile mop is an excellent choice for cleaning all floor types and sizes. The bucket is smaller compared to other products, making it more likely to spill. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.